My name is Richard Myers, and I have designed the Perennial with Love Gardens for the Chelsea Flower Show 2022. It is a timelessly elegant garden, designed to be enjoyed and to spend time in, to walk around, to sit, and to appreciate nature and plants, and the skill of all those who work in horticulture, who the charity Perennial support in their times of need. It is a gift of nature, a love letter to the industry. I chose a very simple planting palette: evergreen Taxus baccata, yew trees, hawthorns, Perennial persica, which is a Persian ironwood. I've chosen for their structure, for the structural qualities they have. The topiary being clipped is so stunning against the softness of the perennials afterwards, that come afterwards. As well as the plants, the garden has several sculptural features. These have been created by highly skilled artisans all across the country. Hilton of Talk Pots has created the love seat and the pebbles that you sit on. Ben from Water Artisans is showing us the waterfall that goes to the top of the rill. The water adds movement and life to the garden and reflects the sky. When I met Jack Egan, he showed me a few sculptures that I could use. I chose one that really reminded me of two people dancing, and we called it the Dancers. We also have a neon sign on the main axis of the garden. Here we see Paul, a very skilled artist, creating and blowing the glass. He's been doing this for at least 35 years. We are using a quote attributed to Alfred Lord Tennyson, and I can't wait to share that with you. The plants have been grown by Jamie in Form Plants. Here we have the chamomile lawn, which invites barefoot wandering. We have many different flowers in the garden. The roses are a real favourite of mine. The scent, the romance, wonderful. Looking after the plants is a real skill, and they need to be carefully nurtured, and these have been expertly done. The wonderful thing about gardening is the wildlife, and here we see a lovely dragonfly and a bee pollinating our flowers.